My name is Mindel van Gijzel and I'm the channel partner specialist in the Benelux. And I was asked today to bring you two customer case stories. And the first one is from our system integrator in the Netherlands, and they are called Peter's Robotic Solutions. And they make use of the app maker as Frederick just explained. And the CEO, Edwin Peters, says it's quite easy to visualize our robotic cell without an external program on the new OmniCore Teach Pendant. But let's have a look how the app maker looks for the end customer. So Peter's Robotic Solution, they often make use of standalone applications where they want to show all the information to the end customer about their robot cell. They also want to make it easy for the operator to perform actions. So for example, choose the box, the height of the pallet, or if there's a pallet on the left side or a pallet on the right side. So we should be easy to perform for the operator. And this is a great way to do so. And the great thing about the app maker is that you don't need a second screen, so everything is in the Flex Pendant. And it's as easy as that. So that's the customer case story.
Safety. Safety is getting more and more important. As you know, we put a lot of effort into the safety area with SafeMove in RC5. And now in OmniCore, we have even developed more. So in the safe area, what we had previously in IC5 was one safe configuration that all stakeholders, all users were able to share. And when they were done with the safety configuration, then they lock in that safety configuration and received one checksum. What we have developed now to OmniCore is actually a possibility to have up to 100 different safety configurations that can be locked in independent of each other, independent of each other stakeholders, or you can even as a stakeholder have several different safety configurations, maybe one for the fans, one for the table, another one for the tool, a line builder can have one, the operator can have another one, and all those will coexist. It's a simple way of securing that you have responsibility for your own task and that you're also verifying your own task and you're not relying on anyone else. And all those will coexist, which means that if someone have changed your checksum, for example, then you know that there may be in terms of violation, which is really important to keep safe your checksum and secure that you rely on your own checksums and they all together function together. So most of you are working with Robot Studio, I assume, and some of you may have seen that we have introduced something that is called automatic path planning. It's a way of actually letting the Robot Studio do the programming on behalf of you when you don't have a process path to program. For example, when you go from position A to position B, instead of programming like we have done in the left-hand side here, manual programming that may take 45 seconds, cycle time of 3.22 seconds, etc. You can actually just click a simple button in Robot Studio, and Robot Studio will do the programming on behalf of you, and it will reduce the cycle time. It will spend less energy in consumption based on the movement, and it will also extend the lifetime of the robot. If you look at the robot path on the left hand, it's much more via points. It's going and changing directions on a more frequent base compared to the right hand side. It's a smooth bending movement, and this is available in Robot Studio, so please try it out.